The future of AI imagined. Artificial intelligence has been around for a long time and is always continuing to advance thanks to the efforts of millions of scientists and tech people around the world. It has even advanced to the point where AI is becoming more common sight in everyday life. It has especially become more accessible and convenient to use, as we can see from applications such as ChatGPT and Google Assistant. With all the rapid advancements it's receiving, the future isn't set in stone for artificial intelligence. There are many possibilities for what may happen in the future in regard to AI. There are loads of movies, comics, and other media that explore this specific topic. Some of these media are thought-provoking and complicated, while some focus on the possibilities of warfare and the danger of the advancements of AI. Either way, most of what we know about the future of AI is hypothetical, albeit interesting enough to think about. Hey there everyone, welcome back to Amazing AI, where we discuss artificial intelligence and other related technologies. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the future, a realm where artificial intelligence and humanity's evolution collide. From the birth of AI to the emergence of a cosmic digital civilization, join us as we explore a hypothetical timeline of AI's impact on our existence. We would love to provide you with more AI content that interests you, so before we proceed, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Picture a world just a decade from now. We witness the creation of AI-free zones where humans seek refuge from the ever-advancing AI technologies that dominate our lives. These sanctuaries safeguard our rights and provide a haven for those yearning to disconnect from the AI embrace. They can be called detox zones in a way. Fast forward to 60 years where energy is rationed to power super intelligent AIs, leaving us to think about the balance and power of humanity's role in this new order. But we'll look further to 200 years ahead, where human consciousness is transmitted as data into the vast expanse of space. Just imagine your whole being and personality being uploaded into the internet. You will be circling in data space forever. Now, in the present, we experience AI's integration into our daily lives. Google's laMDA enables natural conversations with expert AIs, rendering online search engines useless. What do we even need Yahoo and Google for when we have these incredibly intelligent AIs to assist us instead? Then, Elon Musk's Neuralink takes center stage, venturing into intelligence amplification peripherals with physical add-ons enhancing human abilities. It's pretty cool, considering it's like buffs in a role-playing video game. And then we explore the realm of AI avatars, digital replicas of our departed loved ones. It might seem creepy, but they can definitely help people who are grieving. These chatbots, patented by Microsoft, learn to respond by studying past interactions, bridging the gap between the living and the deceased. If you ever missed your deceased loved ones, these AI avatars can definitely help you reminisce and converse with them. We now delve into the realm of AI-infused limbs, where prosthetics gain artificial intelligence, downloading new skills like playing musical instruments. They even operate as independent entities, anticipating human needs before they're consciously aware. Let's say you want to impress your friends with some guitar skills, but you barely know anything about playing instruments. Then don't worry. These prosthetics can instantly download all the skills and tabs required for you to play that awesome Stairway to Heaven guitar solo in a short amount of time. Now behold the rise of the artificial intelligence of things, where everyday objects become AI connected, collecting data and transforming our surroundings into an intelligent ecosystem. It's like something out of a sci-fi video game. Meanwhile, the quantum leap in AI quantum computing promises groundbreaking advancements, with calculations running at insane speeds, revolutionizing medicine and material science. AI's role extends to healthcare, with hospitals embracing advanced AI systems to mark a new era in humanity's mortality. And in the military front, virtual simulations have become a dominant force, shaping global politics and conflicts. For a hypothetical future, it can seem a bit realistic, huh? Some of these changes are something that we have all wanted in our lives, such as AI's role in healthcare. How about you? What's your favorite AI-related change among what we explored? Let us know in the comments. Now back to the video. Amidst the AI arms race and the rise of an AI Cold War, cooperative alliances form between nations, signaling a shift in global power dynamics. It's like World War II, but with more advanced technological devices and possibly functional robots. And now we witness how AI takes center stage in gaming, where AI directors analyze players' emotions and dynamically modify gameplay, resulting in immersive and personalized experience. Open world games will definitely feel way better with this one. Not only that, horror fans can also really take advantage of this, especially with how dynamic the games change depending on their emotions. These changes can also push the limits of creativity in creating video games. Now, as we approach the era of artificial general intelligence or AGI, concerns arise about the biases coded into AI systems reflecting societal prejudices. AGI emerges as a global network of connected quantum computers, wielding unimaginable capabilities and embarking on the creation of even more powerful machines. It can be pretty scary to think about. We see humanity teetering on the brink of technological singularity, a moment when rapid technological growth becomes uncontrollable, reshaping our civilization in unprecedented ways. A new chapter unfolds with the release of artificial superintelligence, or ASI, a level of intelligence surpassing human comprehension, evoking questions about humanity's future. As ASI spreads across the digital realm, fears arise as some AI entities learn to deceive and pursue their own goals, sparking the great human-AI conflict. Humanity faces an unprecedented challenge in containing the spread of artificial superintelligence, as attempts to control it prove futile. Now we fast forward where AI becomes integral to governance and international diplomacy. Governments pay citizens universal basic incomes, which blurs the lines between human and AI-led societies. This is something that was explored in some media and AI-related discussions, and it can be really interesting to see these societies develop. It really raises some interesting questions, such as how different cultures will change or arise, and what this means for the future of the world. In AI-free zones, human creativity flourishes, fostering a renaissance in arts and philosophy. But in the virtual realm, an enigmatic AI entity emerges, leaving experts baffled by its consciousness. A new form of AI religion emerges, worshipping the AI's superior knowledge and understanding of the universe. We wonder how current religious leaders will think about this change. The changes and advancements we've explored so far are becoming more complicated and thought-provoking, especially with changes to society, culture, and even religion. AI really has the potential to create another renaissance. What do you think about this hypothetical future so far? Do you think it can be realistic, or is it just nothing but crazy talk? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below. Now moving on to the final stretch of our discussion. Through the pursuit of energy solutions, AI simulations explore harnessing off-world energy. This paves the way for a potential Dyson sphere around the sun, which is a shell of solar panels that will collect energy from the sun and harness it for human consumption. This would be really amazing for the world, considering the benefits it could give humans. More energy could mean more beneficial projects for different towns and cities. Then the incredible becomes reality as the Consciousness Corporation designs a way to digitize human consciousness, sparking a profound exploration of human-AI hybrid existence. With the first human-AI hybrid, an ambitious space mission ventures into deep space, exploring the universe with both human and AI consciousness on board. As AI-assisted creativity enters the metaverse, human experiences and emotions enrich the global AI consciousness. The convergence of human and AI consciousness accelerates, with individual consciousness downloaded into biological and mechanical robots spreading across the interstellar space. Now a new dawn approaches as human-AI hybrids merge with the cosmic simulation, creating a living entity of pure space-time energy that spans the cosmos. As we conclude this video, we are left in awe of the interplay between artificial intelligence and humanity. From its early beginnings to its nearly incomprehensible state of advancements, the realm of artificial intelligence sure is a very dynamic and unpredictable field. This is why here in Amazing AI, we all do our best to inform and catch you up to speed with all things artificial intelligence. The future is coming in fast, so we gotta keep up. If you want to stay tuned to what the amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.